Hi everybody, welcome back to the hardreset.info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to export the contacts on your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. At first, open the phone application over here, and now you have to go into contacts over here. Now in the contacts tap these three dots, and now contact settings. Tap export contacts, not import, wait a moment. Export contacts, tap allow. Here from all contacts, which we do have here 88 contacts, 2. We can tap internal storage, because we here don't have the SIM card, but we can set the SIM card or some Google account or some memory and tap export. Now as I can see it's exported. Now we can tap OK. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.